Hello, how are you all? I'm going to show you how to upload a WhatsApp status without losing quality. Whether we upload a photo or a video, and the same is in a fairly acceptable quality. Once it is published in our status, it is lost. As we can see in this example, video that I downloaded in the YouTube video. But we can see that the quality is not appreciated due to a problem with the WhatsApp application. In itself, what we have to do to upload photos or videos and do not lose quality basically is to enter the WhatsApp settings section. Here, depends on the model, you may or may not have this option enabled. In my case, let's go to where it says storage and data. And at the bottom, we have to see an option. Tells you the file upload quality. In case you don't have this option, as in my case, there is another way to do this. But first I invite you to subscribe to the channel and give me a like, because I'm sure this video will help you. Now to do this, in case we don't have the file upload quality option, we are going to do the following. We go to the main WhatsApp screen. And here what we can simply do is tap on the camera icon that is next to the magnifying glass and choose the video or photo we want to upload. In this case, it would be this one. We are going to grab the section or the fragment that we published in the state. I think it was this one. And before we tap on the green button, what we have to do is we have to turn on the option that says HD. By doing this, we can choose to upload it with the standard quality, which is like the one we saw at the time, or that the video does not lose so much quality and maintains a high definition at the time of publication. In this case, we play HD quality. We touch on the green button, and here we can share it with any contact, or in this case, we are going to publish it in our WhatsApp status. So we tap where it says My Status, tap on the arrow to continue, and it will be published. Now, once the status has been published, we simply verify that it has not lost quality. In this case, we wait for it to finish uploading. Once the upload is finished, we simply go to our status. To our status, first we will see how the video looks like. Video without doing anything at all, in which it is published losing quality. We see that the video doesn't look so sharp. But now let's see how it looks with this method. We can see that it maintains a fairly sharp quality in which you can appreciate in more detail the quality of the video. Although the video is in 4K, what WhatsApp does is not to maintain the original quality, but compress it a little so that the quality is not lost so much when it is published with this method.
So this is how we can publish a WhatsApp status, whether it is a video or a photo. A WhatsApp status, either a video or a photo, and that it does not lose quality at the time of uploading it.
Upload it. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'm Sibas from BALMA Tech,
and see you in the next video. See you soon.